everyone! Today I will be demonstrating how to use the writing and screen recording tools in IdeaMax. Right over here in the upper right hand corner you will see my floating toolbar, so I'm able to move this around as needed. If I click on the pencil here, you will notice there are several different types of pens I can use, along with several different types of colors. I have an eraser tool right here, so I can choose to erase a portion or all of my screen. Today I'm going to show you how to record a simple math problem. I'm going to click on this little toolbox right here, right over here where it has a picture of a camera. Click on record. Make sure I select which pen I would like to use in my color. Click on the little red circle to begin recording. Do a very simple math problem, record this so I can send this back to my students at a later time. As soon as I am finished, go ahead and click on stop right up here, and I can name this video whatever I would choose and save.